What's new for New Holland in the way of combines at the Farm Progress Show this year is we're launching a new range of 5 CR models. Some major changes for this year compared to last year, primarily driven by the requirements to satisfy Tier 4 regulations, the engine emission regulations. We're using SCR technology to clean up our exhaust gases, which is a very economical way of doing it for the customer. He benefits from up to 9% in fuel savings by doing that. We have also a large number of product changes, up to 30 individual product changes, and to reflect the major changes, we've changed our model numbering so customers can readily see there's something different between these models and the previous models. The 5 models we have cover classes 6 through to 9, and the model numbers, you can tell from the model numbers the class the machine is. The popular CR 7090 is a class 7 machine. The machine behind me is an 8090, again a very popular model, and that's of the 8 designate, it's a class 8 machine. Compared to the prior machine, we've made a number of changes in the feeder area to improve durability and performance. We've put a new monitor in the cab, the IntelliView 4. The operator is comfortable with that because it uses the same architecture as the prior machine, but it's a lot smaller and lighter, which allows us to mount it on the armrest closer to him to give him complete flexibility in where he positions it. The screen size doesn't change, but the overall weight and the overall size of the console does, which helps him in terms of visibility. Number of other changes we've made. We've gone to offering of grain tank extension, closing extensions as alternatives to the manual extensions that we have on the existing machines. Previously, the customer had to accept a reduction in grain tank capacity to close the covers electrically. Now we can do that without any reduction in capacity. In fact, we get a little extra 5 bushel capacity with the covers. So the operator there does that from the cab, electric switch. He doesn't have to do anything in terms of climbing up and mechanically lifting and lowering them. Another important change in terms of residue management is we've launched a system called OptiSpread on the 3 biggest models. This is a system that actively spreads the residue up to 45 foot, which is very important for customers looking to reduce the amount of tillage operations they're doing after the combine. That's available on the 3 biggest machines, and again the operator can adjust the position and the spread of the residue from within the cab. The 8090 model behind us, spec'd as it is today, the retail price is $399,000. The 7090, which is a class 7 machine, spec'd as it is today, the retail price is $358,000.